So, hi, my name ito naman is yung Lovely, which is yung user registration now. So, here, tinatanong niya lang yung full name and username. Tapos, yung atoms lang natin is hanggang 3. Then, yung password is wala nakalagay. Since, ano natin yan, mamaya tayo mismo yung maglalagay. Tapos, here, if ito naman, inaas if user tayo or admin. Kapag na-match sa user, identify as user. Then if admin, identify as admin. Tapos kapag wala naman din yung user tag, please try again. Ito yung lalabas. Kapag yan, ito mag-iikot lang yan dyan. Saan na yan? Hanggang may tumama. Kasi ito yung mga here. File attempts is, ito, uulit to. I-show yung attempts after kada input mo ng password na pinapasa sa'yo. Here, pinapano yung password na must contain at least one uppercase, lowercase, number, and special characters and minimum 8 characters. Here, ibang password. Itong len is yung length ng password. Yan. Kapag may input ka na password tapos hindi siya 8 characters long, tapos walang uppercase, one lowercase, one number, and or at least one special character, ang yan na, pabawas na pabawas yung attempts na makukuha mo. So, yan. Kung kaya naman na na-meet mo na yung mga conditions na yun na ano, may one uppercase, number, special character, lowercase, uppercase, yan. I-retype niya na yung password mo. Tapos, if yung retype na password mo tapos yung is match na password na binigay mo kanina, ang yaman niya na is user registration completed. So, welcome kung ano yung username na binigay mo. Tapos kapag hindi naman, hindi niya na, hindi match, hindi tapos siya yung ilalagay registration talaga. Tapos, else, ito masyado ng mataas na yung ilang beses mong trinay. So, ulitin mo siya next time. So, I don't know what for love tree. Or wait, let's try it. Tree. So, here is, ibibigay ko lang yung isang ano na, user. So, yun. Yan, papakita ko na kagad lahat. Imamatch ko na lahat to. Mga requirements. Ito mga requirements na to. So, let's try. Yan, sa match ko naman na i-retype ko na lang to. Ayan. Ayan, as you can see, match naman yung password and retype password. Kaya completed na yung registration. So now that's all for Love Tree. Thank you for watching and listening.